Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And it's happening. Selling this 2013 Highlander. My wife's vehicle for 2 years. Why did we get it? Because we couldn't find her dream car, Honda Ridgeline. She wanted that new generation Honda Ridgeline, 4-wheel drive only. Some of them were all 2-wheel drives in beginning, but then there were also bad engines. What was the connecting rods? Maybe it stopped at 2019, 2020, that problem. I believe Honda took care of it. So she got 2024 Honda Ridgeline Sport all-wheel drive vehicle. Her dream is satisfied. And 2013 Highlander 2-wheel drive is for sale. Will be for sale. After I finish this video, we'll go take a pictures of it and finally post it. As I worked on it, I thought of you. There's an item which really helps to promote image of the used vehicle. It's pretty important, not to me personally, but the general public likes that. Did you already see what I'm talking about as I keep walking around? This one has 136,000 miles on the odometer. It's pretty clean. Front wheel drive only, it's not 4-wheel drive. Because of that, this is the medium trim. How do they call it? I knew it. Is it also sport? It has leather seats, leather steering wheel and so on, but it's not limited. It has this electric gate, reverse camera. It has that extra seats here folded under. So it's pretty decent car. What I would like to share with you about that. On the trips, on the longer driving, it gets surprising for V6 to GRFE 3.5 liter V6. It just fell. My surprise just fell. It gets incredible up to 26 miles per gallon. That I will say for vehicle which has V6. It's pretty impressive. We just returned from San Francisco. I was driving, she was driving back her Ridgeline. We bought it in Santa Cruz, Honda Santa Cruz. And yeah, I just had on that counter 26 miles per gallon. Now, obviously, as you know, a human brain operates on that first impression. So if somebody comes to look at your car, somehow that first impression is really important. And the lighting is challenging, but what I wanted to show you, when you sell your Toyota one day, please see the difference. If you will be approaching this vehicle, if the tires are finished this way, they really look way better than this. As I said, I'm afraid, I don't know, in this little camera monitor, I'm not sure even if you see the difference. However, the naked eye sees this is just normal tires, slightly dirty despite the fact I washed it. However, here I already applied that tire shine, and as an image it makes a huge difference. on the way to the shop today as a person responsible for this whole job. I picked this Mother's Speed Tire Shine Instant High Gloss Finish. Just spray and walk away. Isn't it unbelievable? Isn't that perfect for us people who just want to spray and walk away? So I would like to show you the difference which it makes applied. I think it's worth $10. I believe these cans can do all 4 tires, and I'm trying to do my best in this conditions today, the light conditions. Now there is area which you never get correctly down here, so I always recommend to move the vehicle a couple feet backwards, because the spot will move somewhere here and then you can finish the detail with this. Can we see the difference? I changed metering on this camera. You see, this is just a gray normal image when we look at a car. Yeah, this is very difficult today. I'm not sure what to say. The way it's gray today, I don't think I can fully show you that huge difference. And of course, especially on this black and white vehicle, here you can see it 1 day later, when that wetness dries, it still keeps that very nice appearance. It's totally worth doing it, in my opinion. If somebody is doubting it, it looks really good. Little detail. If you do that on your own vehicle, don't do it inside of your garage, because you have those spots, the overspray. And if I did it inside, I will be slipping, sliding over those areas for like a week. I did it in the past, trust me. It's pretty funny. It's way better to do it outside when it can evaporate, dry and evaporate, and you will be not having problems with it. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you do, please give it thumb up and stay tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. I will catch you later, alligator.